Did you know that our N078 and R078 series Diamondback locks have optional bolts available? The drawer has an available offset bolt, and the door has an available extended bolt. This video will cover what you need to install these optional bolts. Hello, I'm Michael with Olympus Lock, and I'm going to show you the steps to swap out the default bolt with one of our optional bolts. For the door locks, you can opt for a longer bolt with the 078-LB-DR. For the drawer locks, we have the 078-LB1-DW offset bolt. For this procedure, you will need a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver. Use the key to retract the bolt and turn the lock over so that the back of the lock is facing you. Using your screwdriver, remove the 4 screws from the back of the lock and pull off the back plate. Remove the bolt from the lock body. Install the new bolt by sliding the strike end of the bolt through the lock body and placing the slot in the bolt onto the bolt driver. Make sure that the pin on the side of the bolt is pointing up. Align the slot in the back plate over the pin in the bolt, and reinsert the back plate onto the lock and secure with the 4 screws. Test the function of the lock. Your lock is now ready for use. If you need more information, contact us via email at info@olympuslock.com, call us at 206-362-3290, or visit our website, olympuslock.com. Thanks for watching.